Hello, my dear student. Hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. Myself, Monica Daya. I am your physics teacher. Today, we will do the revision of chapter electricity. Before starting revision, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. And during online classes, you can ask your doubts related to the revisional video. So, let's start. First question is, find the current drawn from the battery by the network of the four resistors shown in the figure. What are these resistors? R1, R2, R3 and R4, and each is of 10 ohm and which are connected to a battery of 6 volt. So we have to calculate the total current withdrawn. So as you are watching, R1 and R2 are in series, again R3 and R4 are in series across the combination of the battery plus and minus, and further their equivalent is connected in parallel to with each other. So what we have calculated, their parallel combination, series and parallel combination, and by that, using formula V is equal to IRP, we have calculated the current withdrawn by the circuit. Because total potential is given, so we have to calculate the total resistance of the circuit, and by that we are able to calculate that the total current withdrawn by the circuit is 0.6 ampere. So in this way, you have to see in the paper which combination is given to you, and you have to apply the combination in the questions, and you have to solve the numerical. Okay, now let's do the next question. Now see this next question. The figure shows the three cylindrical copper conductors along their faces, areas and lengths. First one is given with area A and length L. Second is given length 2L and area A by 2. And third is given area 2A and length L by 2. For the geometrical shape shown in the figure, what you have to calculate? The resistance. So R is equal to rho L by A. So first figure we have got R1 rho L by A. Second we have put the values of length and area, and then when we will solve it, 4 becomes common and 4 into R1 it would come. Third figure, R3 is rho L by 2 upon 2A. When you will solve it, you will get 1 by 4 rho L by A. Rho L by A is equal to R1. So in this way we have got first value is R1, second is 4R1 and third one is R1 by 4. So what does it show? That second figure will offer the highest resistance. In this type of numericals, we have to find out the total resistance according to their length and area. When only direct values are given, so by substituting that values we can calculate, and when journal given we have to do like this. So let's do now next question. Now the next question, see the figure. So using this circuit you have to solve the question. So 3 ohm and 2 ohm are in series combination, and in between K2 key is given, and 1 key is given in the combination, and 6 volt potential given, and 5 ohm is another resistor which is combined in parallel. So first is net resistance you have to calculate. So 1 by 5 plus 1 upon 3 plus 2. So you will calculate it. Second question is voltmeter reading you have to calculate. Voltmeter reading when keys are open. What does it mean? Circuit is open, no current will flow when keys are open. When keys are closed, so you know that total potential is given. So both the resistors 5 ohm and combination of 3 and 2 ohm will show the 6 volt reading in the voltmeter, because voltmeter is connected in parallel. And third is current through 3 ohm. Potential is 6 volt. So we know that this is in series with 2 ohm. So 3 plus 2, 5 ohm. So we solve it using this, and we will get the current reading 1 by 2 ampere using Ohm's law. As you can see that in the bracket also they have solved ki R is equal to 3 plus 2, because current remains same in series combination. So first we have to find out total resistance in parallel, and then we will use that. Potential is same for 5 ohm and 3 plus 2 ohm, means two individual combinations are given. Let's do next now. So what is the circuit diagram you are watching? For the circuit shown in the figure, find out the total resistance of the circuit in the circuit. So 7 ohm, 5 ohm and 10 ohm resistance are given. So 5 and 10 are in parallel, and then their total is in series with 7 ohm. So you have seen it here how they have calculated it. To total resistance we would get 10.33. So what is the next? Total current. So what is total current? V is equal to IR, Ohm's law, and put the values and you will get it. Voltage across 7 ohm. So we know it, V is equal to IRS. So we have to use this according to that. So you will get in this way the answers of all the question. 7 ohm is in series, so it becomes V1. So V1 is equal to IR1. I we have calculated in the above step. We will substitute that value, and R1 is 7 ohm. So using this we have calculated this value, that is voltage across 7 ohm resistor we have calculated. So you have to do practice of these type of CBSE questions, ki how the CBSE used to ask the questions in the paper. So you have to try to do these questions. Thank you. Bye bye.